You want visible abs. Not just stronger abs, the kind that makes your entire physique look more athletic. But if you are still doing endless crunches, stop. You are working hard, not smart. And if you are making one common mistake right now, you are leaving serious progress on the table. 3 exercises, 0 equipment. And the third one, almost nobody does this correctly, including people who have been training for years. Let's fix that. First, know what you are actually training. Your abs are not one muscle. They are 3. Upper abs, lower abs. Obliques, upper abs curl your torso downward. Lower abs lift your hips upward. Obliques run along your sides. They carve that sharp defined look from every angle. Ignore one of them and your midsection never looks complete. So we are hitting all 3. Exercise 1. Reverse crunch. The most skipped. The most important. This is where lower abs actually get built. Lie flat on your back. Knees bent. Feet off the floor. Hands beside you or tucked under your hips. Now here is where most people go wrong. Do not swing your legs. Your abs, not momentum, move your body. Lift your hips off the floor. Roll your pelvis upward. Pause at the top. Squeeze lower slowly. Full control. Feel this in your lower abs. Not your hip flexors. Feeling it in your hips? You are swinging, not lifting. Start the movement from your pelvis, not your legs. 4 sets. 12 to 15 reps. Too easy? Slow the descent. Or straighten your legs. Less momentum. More tension. More progress. Exercise 2. Bicycle crunch. This exercise has one massive problem. Most people turn it into a race. The faster you go, the less your abs actually work. Lie on your back. Hands lightly behind your head. Shoulders lifted. Bring one knee toward your chest. Rotate your torso. Opposite elbow toward that knee. Switch. Repeat. Slow. Deliberate. Every single rep. Feel your upper abs on every rotation. Your obliques on every twist. If you feel nothing at all, you are moving too fast. Slow down until you do. Lower back flat on the floor the entire time. The moment it lifts, your abs switch off. 4 sets. 20 total reps. 10 each side. Pause 1 second every time your elbow meets your knee. Quality beats speed. Every single time. Exercise 3. Russian twist. If you only train straight forward, you are missing a crucial piece. Your obliques create that balanced athletic look. This is how you build them. Sit on the floor. Knees bent. Lean back slightly. Core working before rep 1 even starts. Now rotate your torso side to side. Your torso, not your hands. Turn your chest. Turn your rib cage. Everything moves together. The moment your arms lead instead of your torso, you are just swinging weight around. Your obliques do nothing. Feel the burn along the sides of your waist. That is exactly where it belongs. 4 sets. 20 total reps. 10 each side. Want more difficulty? Lift your feet. Still too easy? Grab a backpack. A water bottle. Anything heavy? Sides burning? You are doing it right. Now here is the part most ab videos never tell you. You can build incredible abs. Train them every single day. Feel them getting stronger every single week. And still never see them. That is more common than you think, because abs are built through exercise. But visible abs are revealed through what you eat. 2 people, same exercises, same effort, same months of training. One has a visible 6-pack, the other does not. The only difference? Body fat. So here is the complete formula. Train with these 3 exercises. Stay in a small calorie deficit. Eat enough protein to keep the muscle you are building. Rest, and keep going. Do all of that long enough and the abs you are building right now will finally show up. Stop jumping between random ab workouts. Master these 3. Better form every session. Stronger every week. Consistent every month. Your 6-pack is not missing. It is waiting to be uncovered. One workout at a time. This is Iron Bro. Mind over comfort.